Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Wayne Dyer's amazing 101 Ways to Transform Your Life, my little mini-series talking it through, each part by part. Here we are with part 96, so you basically know that by this point, hopefully. If you're just tuning in, welcome here. So, part 96, we are now talking about how we have these counterfeit freedoms in our life, how he's saying that we can't purchase freedom, like no products, no money, no anything can just give us freedom. The true freedom comes from within. Now, this one I think is very controversial. I'm kind of against this one because I say you can buy a lot of your freedom. With enough money, you can buy nearly anything you want. Now, you cannot make your subconscious mind be happy, but if you have a negative subconscious mind, no amount of money is ever going to fix your problems. Think of everybody who wins the lottery, how 80% of them end up worse 5 years later. And that's true. That just happens and it's crazy, okay? People win millions of dollars and then they blow it all because their subconscious mind is set to go back to zero, to being back in debt, to having nothing. And they naturally just blow it without even thinking about it. So money will not buy you, financial skills or bugs. I love my bugs. I love all of nature here, but still. Let me just set these down so they're out of my way unless I step on them. Let me just set them over here then. You gotta love these technical difficulties. Okay, that's just filming in nature for you. As I was saying, we have these, we can buy a lot of things with money, but the subconscious mind you cannot buy. If you can condition your subconscious mind to be positive, it will naturally give you more money. It will give you good ideas to get more money, and you'll naturally flow with them, all that kind of stuff. But if you have a negative subconscious mind, money's not going to fix that problem. But money can buy you a lot of things, okay? You can't just kind of walk through the world with just the positive attitude and having nothing. Then you're not going to be able to really convince people, work with people, find a good place to stay, all that kind of stuff. Money can buy you a lot of things, and money is a fantastic tool. It's not a bad thing. Now, if you think money is the everything to freedom, well, you're wrong, because the subconscious mind's a huge component. But money plus a positive subconscious mind, that is what you want. There is nothing wrong with money. There is nothing wrong with stuff. It's when you value that money and stuff more than other people and more than your own subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is the most valuable thing to you. It's a good idea to program it, okay? Put that above earning money, making money, okay? Unless it's in a dire times where you're gonna die if you can't do it, then definitely, save yourself first kind of thing. But really, money is extremely valuable as well, okay? Program the subconscious mind, but money is huge. Don't worry about it. Get that mind on it, and it can fix a lot of those problems. That's basically it for part 96. I would say he's a little more against some of this materialism than maybe somebody like me is, but maybe that's just me. I don't know how you guys feel about this one. I will see you guys next time with part 97. We only got 4 more parts here. 4 or 5. 97, 98, 99, 100, 101. Okay, 5 more parts then. I will see you guys next time with part 97, so stay tuned.